Welcome to the Babylon Store and Cellar. I am Jean, the assistant winemaker. Today I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about the Nebukadnezar. So let's open a glass. The wine was named Nebukadnezar, which is derived from Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon. So I'm opening up the 2021 Nebukadnezar at the moment, and as you would all know, that is still very young for a red blend. However, we are soon to release our 22. We are very excited to share that with you, but for now we're going to taste the 2021. So our Nebukadnezar blend is made up of 5 varieties. First it is Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Petit Verdot, Cabernet Franc, and then a little bit of Malbec. All these varieties are planted on the Simonsberg mountain here on Babylon Store at the farm. Each of these varieties are then picked separately. We bring it to the cellar where it is vinified separately as well. So this is quite important because all these varieties are kind of late ripening varieties, and that in my books is just a testimony to saving the best for last. So when these wines are made in the cellar, we let it be separately, and then right at the end we blend it together. This is a lovely wine that can age really well, and I would definitely suggest to keep it in your cellar, to forget about it for a bit, and then as a few years gone by, definitely to open up a bottle. This wine is available here at the farm, but it's also available online, and yeah, we would love to share a glass with you. Cheers.